Xin chào các bạn. Nếu gặp đối tác nước ngoài hoặc người bản xứ mà bạn chỉ biết nói mỗi câu Hello, I'm fine, thank you, and you thì cuộc trò chuyện sẽ kết thúc ngay trong thim giây. Chào mừng bạn đến với chuỗi tiếng Anh giao tiếp cho người lớn. Chỉ cần đúng 10 phút mỗi ngày, bạn sẽ tự tin mở miệng nói tiếng Anh. Bài học đầu tiên hôm nay, phai cách chào hỏi và giới thiệu bản thân cực tự nhiên mà người phương Tây thực sự sử dụng mỗi ngày. Chúng ta bắt đầu nhé.
Hello, how are you today?
I am doing great. Thank you for asking.
Hi there, what is your name?
My name is Paul. Nice to meet you too.
Good morning, did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well last night.
Good afternoon, how is your day going?
My day is going very smoothly so far.
Good evening, are you ready to start?
I am from Canada. It is a cold country.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I live in a small apartment near the center.
It is good to see you. How have you been?
I have been very busy with my new project.
What is up with you lately?
Not much is new, just the usual routine.
How's everything at home?
I work as an engineer at a local firm.
Long time no see. How is life?
I am 30 years old now.
May I ask what you do for a living?
My birthday is in the middle of summer.
Where do you live exactly?
I have one younger sister and no brothers.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
My father is retired and my mother is a nurse.
How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
Yes, I have a small cat named Luna.
When is your birthday?
I love playing guitar in my free time.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
On weekends, I usually go hiking with friends.
Are you the oldest in your family?
My favorite food is definitely Italian pizza.
What do your parents do?
I prefer blue because it makes me feel calm.
Do you have any pets at home?
I went to Japan for my last vacation.
What is your dog's name?
No, I am not a morning person at all.
What are your favorite hobbies?
I usually wake up at 8 o'clock.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I go to work by bus every morning.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, my job is quite stressful sometimes.
What kind of movies do you like?
I think English is fun, but a bit hard.
Can you play any sports?
I want to learn it to get a better job.
What is your favorite food?
Of course, I would be happy to help you.
Do you like cooking at home?
I am just practicing my English speaking now.
What is your favorite color?
I am a little bit tired, but I am okay.
Do you like to travel to new places?
I really do not like eating spicy food.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I definitely prefer drinking hot coffee.
Is the weather nice in your city?
I like dogs because they are very loyal.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, I try to read at least one book a month.
Are you a morning person?
The weather here is very sunny today.
What time do you usually wake up?
Everything is fine. Thanks for checking in.
How do you go to work every day?
I like watching action movies the most.
Is your job very busy?
I can play soccer and a little bit of tennis.
Do you like learning English?
I don't cook often, but I can make pasta.
Why do you want to learn a new language?
I live in a quiet neighborhood.
Is English difficult for you?
My sister studies music at the university.
Can you help me with this task?
I am the youngest child in my family.
What are you doing right now?
I don't like waiting in long lines.
Are you feeling tired today?
I am currently learning how to paint.
What is a food that you don't like?
Yes, let's go together right now.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
Sure, here is my phone number.
Have you ever been to a big city?
Yes, I will be here at the same time tomorrow.
What is your favorite animal?
It was a pleasure meeting you today.
Do you like reading books?
Take care and have a wonderful evening.
It was nice talking to you.
See you later. Goodbye for now.
Shall we go? Can I have your phone number?
I hope you have a great day too.
Will I see you again tomorrow?
Goodbye and see you very soon.
10 minutes done. You are one step closer to mastering English.
If you find this lesson helpful, please click the subscribe button and like the video so we don't lose contact.
Leave a comment below. See you in the next lesson. Keep trying.